my rule change that I wrote about was, changing the way that the playoffs are formatted for all sports. And right now there's an emphasis on, divisional and conference play. And we're suggesting that, for example, in the NBA and the NHL, 1 through 16. This is the kind of rule change that I think fans would love. This is for the people. And to be honest, I think the owners would like it as well, and probably some general managers, because I think there's a growing frustration with it. I think the NBA is probably closest to doing it. They're not committed to it, but they're willing to look at it. And, right now, there's an imbalance. Obviously, there are better teams in the West than there are in the East. And, that's another issue as well, is that sometimes playoff qualification comes down to where it's easier in one conference than the rest. If you did a 1 to 16, or the 16 best records, you're going to get a truer playoff stack. There are actually two reasons why leagues don't want to do it. Is the travel. They don't want to, in the NBA, end up with Miami playing, Golden State in the first round. In the NHL, they don't want to see Tampa Bay and Vancouver play. So it's a very complicated situation, and of course television is another issue. TV has gotten used to the idea. It's going to be West Coast games, East Coast games. We can have double headers. They really like that. So they'd have to, in order to bring it about, they'd have to get everyone together and kind of sort it out. And the logistics would be difficult, but I think it would be worth it for the fans.